Are you tired of suffering from common ailments and unsure of how to treat them at home? Well, we have compiled a list of easy and effective homemade remedies for you. We're going to explore treatments for a variety of conditions, including headache, nausea, sore throat, constipation, fever, canker sores, runny nose, menstrual cramps, pimples on the face, and conjunctivitis. Let's start with headaches. They can strike at any time and for a myriad of reasons: stress, lack of sleep, or even missing a, but don't worry, because we have some simple, effective solutions for you. One of the quickest ways to alleviate a pounding headache is by applying a cold compress to your forehead. The cooler temperature can help reduce any inflammation and numb the pain, providing instant relief. Another important remedy is to stay hydrated. Dehydration is a common yet often overlooked cause of headaches, so make sure you're drinking enough water throughout your day. Want a bonus tip? Add a slice of lemon to your water. It's not just refreshing. The citrus scent can also help alleviate your headache symptoms. So remember, when the pain hits, water and a cold compress are your allies. What about that nauseous feeling that sometimes hits you out of nowhere? It's a sensation we're all too familiar with. Nausea can be triggered by a multitude of factors, from motion sickness and overeating to more serious health issues. It's an unpleasant sensation, but thankfully, there are natural remedies at hand to help you combat it. Now let's dive into the world of essential oils. Have you ever noticed how the smell of fresh lemons or peppermint can instantly lift your spirits? That's not just a psychological effect. Inhaling lemon or peppermint essential oil can actually help alleviate feelings of nausea, thanks to their refreshing and calming properties. But what about something warm and soothing to sip on? Enter ginger tea. Ginger has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments, including nausea. It's delicious, comforting, and a perfect antidote to that unsettling feeling. Remember, when nausea strikes, go natural with lemon, peppermint, or ginger. How about when your throat feels like it's on fire? It's an awful sensation, isn't it? A sore throat can be the result of many things: a bacterial or viral infection, dry air, or even just shouting at your favorite sports game. But no matter the cause, the discomfort is universal. One tried and true method to soothe a sore throat is gargling warm salt water. The warmth soothes the inflamed tissue, while the salt helps kill off any bacteria. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water, gargle for a minute, and spit it out. Don't swallow it. Another fantastic remedy is sipping on warm honey and lemon tea. This blend not only tastes great, but it also does wonders for a sore throat. The honey coats and soothes the throat, while the lemon helps clear away mucus. So when your throat's on fire, cool it down with some salt water and honey lemon tea. Ever felt like you're carrying a brick in your belly? That uncomfortable, bloated feeling could be constipation, a common condition that often arises from a lack of fiber in the diet, insufficient water intake, or a sedentary lifestyle. Fiber is the magic ingredient that helps keep our digestive system on track. Foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are rich in fiber and can help move things along in your digestive tract. But don't forget, every fiber needs a partner, and that's where water comes in. Drinking plenty of fluids helps soften the stool, making it easier to pass. Another key player in the battle against constipation is light exercise. A simple walk around the block or a few minutes of yoga can stimulate the muscles in your gut and help relieve constipation. So remember, when constipation hits, it's time to eat fiber-rich foods, drink plenty of water, and move your body. So when constipation hits, remember to eat, drink, and move. Ever had a fever that just wouldn't break? A fever is your body's natural response to infection or illness. It's a sign that your immune system is hard at work, fighting off invaders. But when the mercury rises, it can leave you feeling miserable. So, what can you do? Firstly, hydration is key. Fevers can cause you to lose fluids faster, leading to dehydration, which can exacerbate your symptoms. Drink plenty of water, herbal teas, or clear broths to replenish lost fluids and soothe your body. Next, rest. Your body needs energy to fight off the infection. By resting, you're allowing your body to focus on healing, helping you bounce back faster. Lastly, a cool damp cloth on your forehead or the back of your neck can work wonders. This simple trick helps you cool down from the outside, providing some much-needed relief from the heat. Remember, when fever strikes, rest, hydrate, and cool down. Ever had a canker sore that made eating a pain? These little ulcers that pop up inside your mouth are more than just annoying. They can turn your favorite meals into a torture session. But what causes them, and how can we combat them? Canker sores can be triggered by a variety of factors. Some people might get them due to hormonal changes, while others might experience them as a result of stress or even a minor mouth injury. Certain foods, especially those that are acidic or spicy, can also lead to these pesky sores. The good news is, there's a simple home remedy that can help ease the discomfort. Rinsing your mouth with warm salt water can soothe the sore and speed up healing. The salt can help reduce inflammation and kill bacteria. On the other hand, avoiding spicy and acidic foods can prevent further irritation and give your mouth a chance to heal. So, when a canker sore strikes, go salty and stay away from spice. Ever had a runny nose that just wouldn't quit? It's a common symptom we've all had to deal with, whether it's due to a cold, the flu, allergies, or a sinus infection. It's your body's way of getting rid of whatever's irritating it, like viruses, bacteria, or pollen. But that doesn't make it any less annoying. Now let's dive into a simple yet effective remedy for this drippy dilemma. The first tip is inhaling steam. You might be wondering, how does steam help? Well, steam helps to thin out the mucus, making it easier for your body to get rid of it. You can create your own personal steam room by taking a hot shower, or even just boiling a pot of water and carefully inhaling the steam. Another critical part of tackling a runny nose is staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids helps to thin the mucus in your nasal passages, allowing your sinuses to drain faster. So, when your nose runs a marathon, remember to steam and hydrate. Ever had cramps that felt like a boxing match in your belly? Menstruation cramps, also known as dysmenorrhea, can be a real downer. They are caused by your uterus contracting to help expel its lining during your period. Now, these cramps can range from mild to severe, and can feel like a constant ache or a series of sharp, stabbing pains. Here's a tip that might just change your life. A hot water bottle can be your best friend. The heat from the bottle can help soothe your muscles, providing relief from the pain. It's like a warm, comforting hug for your belly. And while it might seem counterintuitive, light exercises can also be beneficial. Gentle movements like walking or stretching can help stimulate blood flow and ease the muscle tension causing the cramps. You don't have to run a marathon, just a simple stroll around the block could do the trick. So, when cramps hit, remember to heat and move. Ever woke up with a pimple that wasn't there the night before? It's a universal experience that can send your day spiraling. But what causes these pesky pimples? It's a combination of factors including excess oil production, clogged pores, bacteria, and inflammation. Now let's talk solutions. First, resist the temptation to pop it. Instead, apply a warm compress on the affected area. This helps to reduce inflammation and increase blood circulation, which aids in healing. Simply soak a clean cloth in warm water, wring out the excess, and gently press it against the pimple for about 15 minutes. Secondly, give your skin a break from makeup. While it might be tempting to cover up that red spot, cosmetics can clog pores and exacerbate the problem. Embrace your natural glow and let your skin breathe. So, when pimples pop up, remember to warm up and go natural. Trust the process, and your skin will thank you. Ever had your eyes go red and itchy for no apparent reason? Conjunctivitis, also known as pink eye, is a common culprit. This inflammation of the eye's outermost layer can be triggered by allergies, bacteria, or viruses. It's not a pleasant experience, but fear not. We have a simple tip to help soothe those inflamed eyes. A warm compress is your new best friend. It's as simple as soaking a clean cloth in warm water, wringing out the excess, and then gently placing it over the affected eye for about 10 minutes. This can help to reduce swelling and discomfort. But here's the kicker. Avoid touching your eyes. It sounds simple, but it's easier said than done. Touching or rubbing can worsen the inflammation and even spread the infection. So let's keep those hands away from the eyes, shall we? So when your eyes go red, remember to warm up and hands off. That's all for today's life hacks for common ailments. We've covered everything from headaches to pink eye, and we hope these simple tips and tricks will help you feel better in no time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us continue creating content like this. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. We have a lot more in store for you. Stay healthy, stay informed, and see you in the next video.